everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to run you through some tips on how I organize my fridge to make sure that we utilize the food that we've already bought. You're going to need a few things. One is clicking on the link below and signing up to our Food Smart program. You'll need a large plastic tub or basket, anything that you've got at home already, labels, and a permanent marker. For my big tub, I like to use this on my top shelf, so it's the first thing that I see when I open the fridge. And this is my Use Me First box. This is where the food goes that needs to be eaten within the next few days. Whether it's leftovers, whether it's something close to its use by date, it goes in this box, and they're the first things that we use when we're preparing a meal. We take from this box first. The next thing I like to do is make sure that all my labels are facing the front. So any jars that I've got or any containers that have got labels on them in my fridge, I make sure that the label's facing the front so I know exactly what it is and how to use it. I've got these labels that I use on my containers that you can't see through. So I've got some stainless steel containers that I use quite regularly. And what I find, if I label it and put exactly what the content is, I make sure that I use it. Same goes for containers that you can actually see through. So this is something that I would put on my top shelf. Generally, I would leave my top shelf clear, and only things that would be on it would be my use first box and my leftovers. When you enter the fridge, the first thing that you want to see are the things that you need to use immediately. That will help you make sure that you don't waste any food, use up everything that you have, save you money, and save the planet at the same time.